So when looking at converting radians to degrees, always look at a unit-circle. So when you look at a unit-circle, half of the circle is what we call a straight line, which would give you 180 degrees. And again, half the circle is also, in terms of the unit circle, is pi. Now, when we use the conversion, we're always going to use this conversion right here from radians to degrees. It's going to be 180 degrees over pi, okay, which is equal to 1. Now, when we get started with our first example, which is going to be this question right here. So example, if you're given, I don't know, pi over 3 and you're told to convert to degrees, all you need to do is take pi over 3. So let's take pi over 3 and we're going to multiply that by 180 degrees over pi. Now, of course, this is important because it has to be 180 over pi because the pi's, they need to cancel out, leaving you with just the degree. So when we do that, we get 180 degrees pi over 3 pi. And if you look over here, the pi's, they just cancel out, right? Because pi divided by pi is 1, giving you 180 degrees over 3. And that should, if you simplify that out, well, if we simplify, we got to divide both the numerator and denominator by 3, which should get you 60 degrees over 1, which is just 60 degrees. And there you go. We converted pi over 3 to degrees, giving you 60 degrees. Now let's go over another example. So this next example is going to be, let's see, pi over 6. Let's try pi over 6. So if we follow the same rules, pi over 6 times 180 degrees over pi, that should get you 180 degrees pi over 6 pi. Now, of course, remember, the pi's cancel out, leaving you with 180 over 6, 180 degrees, my bad. Let's simplify this. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 6. That should get you 30 degrees over 1, which is just 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Just like that. So now you guys kind of got the idea, but let's work on the next one. Now, if you want to work on it yourself, of course, just pause the video. Let's just say we get 5 pi over 6. So to do that, we just got to take the 5 pi over 6 and multiply by 180 degrees over pi. That should get you 5 times 180, of course. I don't know at the top of my head, but if we were to use a calculator, which I'll get right now. Let me see. Sorry about that, guys. Calculator. Okay, so 5 times 180 degrees should get you 900 over 6 pi, 900 pi, and then this degrees. Of course, again, the pi's, they cancel out, leaving you with just 900 degrees over 6. I believe we can divide this by 6. Yep, I knew it. Let's simplify this. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 6. You should get 150 degrees over 1, which is just 150 degrees. And that's all.